everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and update your Facebook app in Android. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So if you want to do it, first of all, updating app is simply re-downloading your designated app with apparently some new updates and some new features that is actually updated and added by the Facebook itself. So if updating is now, and then you gotta do it, simply go to your Play Store of your mobile phone, simply go ahead, search it up Facebook there in search bar, and then you will be able to see this, right? So in my case, my Facebook is downloaded but needs an update as well. So what I'll do is tap on this update option right there. I will simply be able to download this. Tap on this download option, and I will be downloading the new version, the updated version of the Facebook itself. So in my case it shows this way, but you will have your Play Store, you can simply go ahead, update your app like that as well. So yes guys, once you do it, your app simply be updated right there. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.